Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials, free up storage, plug in if needed, and allow the app access to your media. Once done, open the live Wallpaper app and tap the plus or import button to select a video. Make sure the clip is shorter than the app limit and uses a supported format, otherwise the app may convert it. You're initiating the actual workflow now. Select the source folder, pick the clip, and proceed to the editor screen to move on to customization. You'll now edit and configure the clip so it behaves like a smooth wallpaper. First, trim and crop to the desired aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for portrait. Then set loop behavior and mute audio if you prefer silence. Next, tweak speed, apply a subtle filter, and use the scale and position tools so critical content isn't behind icons. Once those choices look right, preview on both home and lock screens. You're at the finish line. Export the edited clip as a live wallpaper and choose Apply to Home, Lock, or both. If the animation doesn't start, try restarting your launcher or rebooting the device, because many systems stop live animations to save resources. Make sure battery saver is off, the app still has permission, and you've installed the latest app update. If problems persist, reduce resolution or length and re-export. That often fixes compatibility or performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.